Charlie.
Really, Charlie?
Can you get the scissors?
Yes. I shall.
They're in the bathroom? Oh, they're in the closet.
Am I tripping? I'm tripping. I don't know why I thought they were scissors. This one, here they go. Here they go, here they go, here they go.
Okay, take a seat. We have to tell them what we're doing.
Yes.
So, we got tickets to Camp Flog, Gnaw, and we got VIP tickets, and we are going to be opening our VIP merch packages so we can see what we got. I haven't seen anything on TikTok on what we got.
I have no idea what we got.
I saw what super VIP people got.
Yes.
But I don't know what we got.
Yes, I did see what super. I did get that spoiled, but what VIP?
They got like suitcases or something.
You're VIP.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm gonna just open it. I'm not gonna open it, but I'm gonna like scratch it open.
Yes. Yes. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
These are not the best. There we go.
And then
Careful.
okay.
There you go. Let's hope I don't struggle. Oh, I might want to do it that way. Do it this way. Shuba, Shuba. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Please be careful. Why are you holding it like that? You could cut your fingers.
I wanted it crazy. I wanted it crazy.
Do you have short fingernails?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. I can never wear this necklace because my nails, I could never get it on. You may not even be able to get it on.
Oh, I should be able to.
See how tiny that is? Okay. And wear it I'm gonna put it on. That way
Don't open it yet.
Oh, I
Oh,
won't.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I should make sure this is the, okay. Yeah, Gigi can never get it on me. I can never wear it. Oh my God, thank you.
Make sure it's on the right way.
Is it?
I think it is.
Yeah.
It is.
Godot, you remember you and Dad got me this necklace with the ruby ring
You did?
from Macy's for Christmas.
Probably, yeah. I might have been, yeah.
I never get to
Nice.
wear the necklace though.
It's really great.
Because I can never get it on, but this is good. Thank you. So last time I wore it, I was in New York. I went to see Wicket with one of my best friends. She had to put it on me. She had to come up to my room and everything. All right.
Oh, you can keep it turned up.
Oh, to keep it okay.
We're filming an unboxing
Good,
video.
great. Let's turn that into a little bit. There we go.
Okay.
We are back.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm
We're
ready.
gonna open it at the same time. Ready?
Yes.
Wait. Move yours over a little bit. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Oh, wow.
There's a couple of things in here. Pins.
Whoa, pins?
I could put it on my jacket.
You can. Ooh.
Oh my goodness. So there's some pins.
Here are my pins. Pins.
Okay, are we gonna look at this next?
Yes.
Oh wait, I'm gonna move it to the side so that I can put things in the middle. So
I
they
picked
can
up
see it.
another pin by accident too.
It's
I
okay.
got
Move
two.
yours to the side and
Yeah.
we're gonna put things in the
You're
middle.
right. Let me. Ooh. There we go.
Okay, alright, now this thing. I bet it's like a water bottle or something.
It's gotta be water bottle.
Wait. Okay,
I again? Am I
okay,
again?
ready. It is a water bottle!
Hey.
A special Camp Flog Gnaw water bottle. We should bring them.
I know. We can bring it inside too.
Yeah.
It's not plastic. Camp Flog Gnaw, 10
Camp
year.
Flog Gnaw.
10 year Ferris wheel. We will be on this Ferris wheel.
We will. I don't know
2
when
days.
though.
2 days? In 2 days, we're gonna be on it. And we get a special line. We get in the special line.
There's special lines.
Yes.
VIP tickets.
VIP tickets. Special
Yes.
line. My boo boo.
Okay. Let's do this thing next.
Yes. This?
Yes.
This, okay.
This thing. No, this thing.
Oh, this thing. Oh.
Okay. It feels like a snow globe or something.
Oh. Here we go. Here you can do yours first.
Okay.
Yeah. I was holding the scissors crazy.
Yeah, you were. You were like,
Ah, don't do that, please.
okay.
Yes. Here we go.
I got pin.
It's getting sticky.
It's getting sticky. Sticky, 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 sticky. I bet it's like a snow globe or something.
Snow globe? Low key.
Ready?
I think I know what it is.
What? No, don't tell me. Okay, ready?
A baseball.
A baseball. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Because it's that Dodger Stadium parking lot.
Aww. Los Angeles 2024. Oh, it opens up. Whoa.
I'm not opening mine.
Oh wow, it smells like a baseball, I'll tell you that. Wow. It has the
Can't
Ferris
Flog
wheel
on
too.
Carnival. That's cool.
Our little souvenirs, all collector's items.
Okay.
Wait. Ooh. Ah.
Okay. Let's
Mine
do.
right
Oh wait,
here.
you already took this out.
Yes.
It's another keychain.
Yes, here it is.
Can't Flog Now VIP jersey keychain. I bet we're getting a jersey.
That's how we call it. I believe this is the Tron Cat logo.
The
From
what?
Tron Cat.
What's that?
Song of his. Very
He's the Tyler fan.
big Tyler fan. Big Tyler fan. She's a
I'm-
Tyler
I'm
fan
a fake
too.
fan.
Oh, she's a fan. She's a fan. She's a fan. My boo boo, my boo boo.
Okay, are you ready for this thing?
The big one. Wait, yes. Okay, we have the same thing, yes.
Is it a bag?
Oh, there's something else in there. I put it down. There was
I
something
think
else in
it's
the
a
bag.
duffel bag.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Okay, this is so
This
cool.
is sick.
Look at it. And it's the Tron Cat logo.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I don't be blocking anything. I'll be walking around my bag like. I got our bag. And it's blue. I love this blue color. This is a very beautiful blue. We just got ourselves a duffel bag.
Yep.
We're matching.
This is a big duffel bag. Do you see how big this is?
Ooh. Also comes with straps so you can put it on your shoulder.
True.
It smells good up in his bag too. Look at the bag. We got duffel.
You know, I think I may have to switch out my duffel bag that I'm bringing.
Honestly?
I don't think all your stuff could fit in there.
Oh, no. My stuff cannot fit in this. But your stuff may be able to.
Yeah.
She has another bag. And this bag, hold on. Oh, yeah. This color matches her amazingly. Beautifully.
Thank you.
We're going to be matching with our bag. We're
And
going to be
look,
like,
the strap goes on the bottom too, so it like keeps it.
oh, yeah. True.
That's
We
cool.
can walk around our matching bags like,
Yep.
Can't Flog Gnaw 2024, 10 year. 10 year.
Okay, and you said there was one more thing in
There's
here?
one more thing.
Socks.
Oh my goodness. Look, that's actually so cool. We got socks. We got matching socks.
Well, mine were putting upside down, but.
This will be very cute for us to both wear our matching socks on like Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
Ah, that'll be so we gonna wear matching socks on Christmas Eve. Me and my boo boo.
I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
We leave in
Oh my goodness.
like 5 hours and 30 minutes.
We do. But you know, we're going to get an amazing night's sleep. Like, such a good night's sleep. I feel like when we go to sleep, our eyes are gonna close, and I'm not gonna dream. It's just gonna be black, and I'm gonna wake up.
Yeah, we're gonna set so many alarms.
And I have like an obnoxious alarms that, but she has beautiful alarms. Her alarms are like music. I mean, they are music. They're songs. So yeah.
What song was that?
I don't know. I just made that up.
Oh.
But you get the idea. You know, it's a song. It's a catchy song. Very catchy song. We got the double bags are so cool.
Yeah.
And we got pins.
I'm bringing this.
I'm bringing this too. We got cheers.
We cannot set these down. People will try to steal these.
I know, yes, and I don't want us getting us ours mixed up with other people. This is me, and my boo boo water bottle.
This should be able to fit in either of the bags I bring.
Absolutely. Cheers. We got a baseball. We got a baseball.
We did get a baseball.
Hey, batter. Hey, batter. This is a really cool. This is really cool.
This is it.
For decoration. Years from now, have this in the house, out to show like what you know about the 10th year anniversary. What you know about the 10th year that me and Portia went to. The 10th year. But the affairs. We gonna be on a Ferris wheel like this. Chugga.
Charlie.
I know y'all hear him. He's like, nice bag. He's like, where my box at?
Charlie. Hi. He's like, go to bed.
He's like, where my stuff? I don't want a double bag.
Wow.
Shall I say this was an amazing merch VIP bundle?
Yes.
And we literally got it like the day we're about to leave. Like
Wait, this came in today?
I'm assuming so. 'Cause I feel like my mom would have told me like, oh, you got mail. You know what I'm saying? Did you send it to the wrong house? Like I'm assuming this came in 2 nights. And we got our mail.
We did. I'm kind of nervous to bring this because I feel like somebody's gonna try to steal it.
I will not let nobody steal bottles. Not a soul. This is my bottle. There are many bottles like this one, but this one is mine. This is my perimeter. My perimeter is me. Okay, but no, nobody's gonna steal water bottles. I really like. This is nice. This is very nice. This is a beautiful water bottle. Amazing pins. I can put some of this on my back. Ooh, I'm definitely doing that. I'm put with a G.
I wouldn't put it on until we get back.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Oh my god, no, that's some really cool pins.
There are.
And this keychain, it has number 10 on it. Oh, because the 10 year. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Thank you, Tyler. Can't fog no more. Wow.
You can't see it. There it is.
I really like the baby blue coloring.
Yeah. The only thing is, wait, did you bring a bucket hat?
I did, yeah. Oh, of course.
Nobody better steal it.
Oh, ain't nobody said my bucket hat. That bucket hat's glued to my head. You bring your bucket hat?
Yes.
So we could be matching bucket hats.
Yes, we will.
We matching bucket hats. I'm so excited. We leave in like 5 hours.
Yeah, I'm not gonna want to get up. I'm gonna be so tired. That's why we gotta pack up everything tonight and just put it by the door so we can just wake up and then eat breakfast, brush our teeth, and then go.
Yes, ma'am. Go.
Oh my gosh, am I seriously going to repack my bag so I can bring this duffel bag?
This is a very nice duffel bag, Portia.
Joey!
He like this nice. Look, Joey.
Say hi to the camera,
Here's
Joey.
Joey Brown.
Here's Joey.
Ooh.
Wait, move the bag down.
Yeah.
Joey. Charlie. I love you, Charlie. I'm holding him so weird. I always hold him weird.
Oh, Charlie.
Look at his arms. They're like one over the other.
Excuse me, sir. Good day to you, boo boo. Look at his face. Oh, Charlie.
Hey, Charlie. Go sit on your chair. He's like, I've had enough of you.
Charlie.
Should I really bring this duffel bag?
I think that's a good idea.
Okay.
What do you think? What you
Yeah, I
thinking?
can bring it.
It's a nice bag too. A very nice bag. It should be able to hold everything you would need. Stylish. You look beautiful with this blue color.
Thank you.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Here's what I'm thinking. Because you're not planning on bringing a carry-on, right?
Oh, like to carry on the plane?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna have my backpack.
Well, that can go under the seat.
Oh, yeah.
But like,
Yeah, that's going on. Yeah.
what if like actually I could take all of my stuff out of the duffel bag I have in the suitcase now and put that just regularly in the suitcase. And then I can fold this up and put this in the suitcase too. And then we can just share this as your second carry.
Yeah, you can. Walk around the airport like this. Oh, you like this bag? Yeah, I like it too. I love this bag.
Okay, well, I hope to see y'all at Camp Flog, Gnaw. Or not if you're watching it online.
Yep.
Oh, and we're flying all the way from Boston.
Yep. Massachusetts. Me and my boo boo.
I'm excited.
We've been talking about this for like
Over
over
100 days.
Yes. She just finished my sentence. That's so cute. She literally finished my sentence. Yes.
I still have a paper to finish.
I have a homework assignment to finish too. So we in this together.
When?
It's due Monday night. So I'm chilling. It's not due this weekend. I am finished. I've clocked out this weekend. I'm done.
I'm not done. I have to finish this paper on the plane.
On the plane.
And I have homework to do on the plane ride back. Joey.
I'll be cheering her on when she does her homework. And playing my Nintendo Switch.
Yep.
She can play it too though. She wants to.
I'm not playing your Switch. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
I'm excited.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Okay. Well, bye.